Hey, this is Emmanuel with Funtown RV, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Ember 201FBQ. This is a model that I'm very excited for, and I know that you are too. Let's go take a look. All right guys, at the front here, we're going to have our Versa coupler hitch. This is going to be an adjustable hitch depending on the ride height of your vehicle. Down below, you'll also see an electric tongue jack. It is going to be by Lippert. Coming along the side here, we're going to have our large pass-through storage. This model is also going to be prepped for side view cameras. Underneath, you'll also have your solar controller as well. This is going to be a unit that's going to have solar panels already attached as well as an inverter. Let's go check out this storage here. We have some storage that goes right underneath the entertainment center inside. And hold on, because we also have a special bonus here on this Ember. This is a 4-wheel independent suspension unit by Kurt, and each one of these tires is going to have dual shock absorbers for your off-road adventures. We're also going to have our standard Lippert solid step 3 steps that fold into our unit pretty nicely and consistently. This is a unit that's completely fiberglass and specifically Azdel. On the top, on the roof, on the sides, this is going to be completely structured with aluminum frame and Azdel all the way through. Around the back side of this Ember, we're going to see we're prepped for a rear backup camera. We're going to have another custom wheel by Ember along with a spare tire. Around the side here, I want you to notice this is a 30 amp trailer. It's going to have your 30 amp plug here on the driver's side of the camper, as well as a manual wheel lock for whenever we're on rugged terrain. Another great feature of this Ember is going to be a collapsible ladder that does come with this unit. You're going to notice it's going to be prepped for a ladder on the side of the camper as well as the rear of the camper as well. All right guys, that's just the beginning of the awesome features that are going to be included on this Ember. Before we go inside, I do want to remind you to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's go take a look. All right guys, at the front of this Ember here, we're going to have our residential queen size bed. Ember is going to offer a lot of space on each side of this bed here. Space above top as well for storage. And you can't help but notice this beautiful stargazer window that we have right up above. It is going to have blinds and also a mosquito net that are built in. It is European style, which means it's going to pop out once you're ready to open it. Just be sure that you bring the thing in before you take off. All right guys, and this Ember is going to have even more storage. This is going to be in front of the bed, top and bottom storage for shoes, clothes, even pantry space if you want to do that. A great feature of this Ember is going to be this TV here. This Ember is not going to have speakers on the outside, but it is going to have a built-in speaker soundbar underneath this TV. This entire TV is going to be 12 volt, which means that you can run it off your solar power. Additional storage space underneath your Furrion TV. And the space that I mentioned previously that you can access from the exterior of the camper as well as from the inside. Ember did also include a beautiful Jackknife Sofa. I love the interior on this model. It comes with a removable table for dining. Behind that, you'll also see additional storage space, as well as more USB outlets right in front of that beautiful window with the blinds that cover it. Up above that, you also have even more storage space. Guys, there's so much storage in this camper, it's truly ridiculous. I want you guys to notice how much space is in this Ember. This is going to be one of the widest models that Ember features. It's going to be an 8-foot wide model, which is really nice for space, residential feel, hanging out with the family, things like that. Coming up towards the kitchen, we're going to have our beautiful solid surface countertops with 2 gray stone burners, a large basin sink, your classic hooded vent, and your Furrion microwave. Also comes standard with a 12 volt GE fridge. This is going to also be able to run on your solar power. The Ember also includes the water miser technology, which allows you to heat up your water without actually wasting your water. Inside the Ember, you're also going to have your 12-volt adjustable fan, and of course your beautiful sink and countertops. Thank you for joining us for a walkthrough of the 201 FBQ by Ember. This is a model that we're super excited about with Funtown RV. Offers lots of off-road capability and off-grid living as well. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Let us know what you want to see in the next video. And remember, the fun starts here.